Hi guys, welcome to DSD classes. In this video lecture, I am going to explain about different types of data flow design elements. So VHDL architecture can be written in three styles. First one is data flow modeling, second one is behavioral modeling, and third one is structural modeling. So already I have discussed in previous lectures architecture. Architecture will give the internal details of an entity. So we can write that entity architecture in three styles: data flow style, behavioral modeling, and structural modeling. So in this video I will discuss about data flow modeling. So data flow modeling can be described based on Boolean expression. It shows how the data flows, right? How the data flows from input to output. It works on concurrent execution. So data flow, whatever the statements we will write in architecture, those statements are concurrent in behavior. So coming to second one, behavioral modeling. So it will explain behavior of the function, behavior of the circuit. So behavioral modeling is used to execute the statements sequentially. It shows that how the system performs according to the concurrent statements. So whatever the statements we have written in data behavioral modeling, those statements are called as sequential statements. So behavioral modeling may contain process statements, sequential statements, signal assignment statements, and weight statements. So in behavioral model we use process statement. And coming to third one, structural modeling. So it will give connections of sub-modules. The structural modeling is used to specify the functionality and structure of the circuit. Structural modeling contains signal declarations, component instances, and port maps in the component inside. So in this lecture, I will discuss about data flow modeling. So as I discussed earlier, what is a data flow modeling means? For data flow modeling in VHDL, we specify the functionality of an entity by defining the flow of information through each gate. We primarily use concurrent signal assignment statements and block statements in data flow modeling. So data flow modeling can be described based on the Boolean expressions. So right. So whatever the data flow modeling we use, those statements are defined by the Boolean expressions and the statements are concurrent in nature. Concurrent, so whatever the statements we are using in data flow, so those statements are signal assignment statements. Here we have three types of signal assignment statement. First one is concurrent signal assignment statements, second one is conditional signal assignment statements, and third one is select signal assignment statements. So coming to first one, concurrent signal assignment statement. So concurrent statements are those statements that are executed in parallel. So whatever the statements we have written here, those statements are executed in parallel. So this is the syntax of concurrent signal assignment statement. Signal name gets expression, output gets expression, C gets A and B. That is an example. So this is an example how we can write a data flow style using concurrent signal assignment statement. So a library declaration, package declaration, entity is nothing but the internal declaration, means outputs and inputs, A in bit, B in bit, YZ. So here this is the data flow design elements. We can write concurrent statement, Y gets A and B, B gets Z gets B after 10 nanoseconds. So this is an example how we can write signal name gets expression. So this is concurrent signal assignment statement. So second one is conditional signal assignment statements. This is based on some condition. So this condition statement will assign the value to its target signal only when a condition is true. If the condition is satisfied, then only that values will be executed. If not satisfied, it go to the next condition. So you can give multiple values with multiple conditions. They are similar to if-else. So if-else statement is a sequential statement where we use in behavioral statement. So in C also we use if-else statement. So this is a syntax for conditional signal assignment statement. So targeted signal output gets value when condition else. So whenever this condition is satisfied, then only this values. So whenever this condition is satisfied, then this value will be given to target. If not satisfied, then it comes to the next statement, right? So this is conditional signal assignment statement. So target name gets value when condition else, value 2 when condition 2 else, so on. Okay, so this is an example how we can write. So output target signal gets input 0 after 20 nanosecond when S0 is 0, S1 is. So whenever S0 and S1 both are 0, 0, then output equal to input 0. If not 0, 1, then output is input 1. Next 1, 0, output is input 2. If these three conditions are not satisfied, then output equal to input 3. This is nothing but conditional signal assignment statement. So these statements also concurrent in nature. So means these statements will execute in parallelly. So next one is nothing but select signal assignment statement. So this is this signal assignment statement will select and assign a value to its target signal based on the value of select expression. Okay, so based on the value of the select expression. So they are similar to case statement in C programming language. So we will write case statement in C. So the syntax is same as case statement in C. So you can also give multiple values with multiple choices. So here, unlike in conditional assignment statement, here we will write the expression. So this is the syntax of select signal assignment statement with expression select. So this is an select. So based on this expression, we will get the values. So target signal gets value when choices, value 2 when choices, value so on. So we have to write n choices. So this is example. So with max 4 by 1 select. So based on this, so the conditions are, these conditions are max 4 by 1. With max 4 by 1 select output D0 when 0, 0. When max 4 by 1 is 0, 0, then output is 0, 1. If else 0, 1, then output is D1. Else if condition is 1, 0, then output is D2. Else others, output is D3. So this is conditional signal assignment statement. So what is the behavioral design element means? So for data flow modeling, so in this lecture I am discussing about data flow. I am repeating again what is data flow means. Data flow modeling in VHDL, we specify the functionality of an entity by defining the flow of information through each gate. So we can write data flow using signal assignment statements. We have three types of statement: concurrent signal assignment statement, conditional signal assignment statement, and select signal assignment statements. So what are the syntax as an example I discussed. Thank you so much. I will explain behavioral design elements in the next lecture. Thank you for watching.